In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all comments in Google Sheets. If you are working in a shared spreadsheet, comments can be easy to miss, especially when they're spread across different sheets inside the same file. Being able to quickly find them helps you review feedback, follow conversations, and make sure nothing important gets overlooked. The good news is that Google Sheets gives you a simple way to check for comments directly from the sheet tabs at the bottom of the screen. Start by looking at the tab bar in the bottom left area of your spreadsheet. This is where you can see the names of the different sheets in the file. Each tab represents a separate sheet, and if comments have been added somewhere on that sheet, Google Sheets can show you a quick summary right from that tab area. Next, move your mouse over a tab name and pause for a moment. When you hover over the tab, Google Sheets will show a small summary indicator that tells you how many comments are inside that specific sheet. This is a helpful way to scan through multiple tabs without having to open each one individually. If you are trying to locate feedback quickly, this hover preview can save a lot of time. Once you've found the sheet that contains comments, right-click that sheet tab. A menu will appear with several options related to that sheet. From that menu, select View Comments. This will open the comments view for that sheet and make it easier to review everything that has been left there. Here is also a faster option you can use in some cases. If you see the number indicator on the Sheet tab, you can click that number directly instead of right-clicking. Clicking the indicator opens the sidebar filter for that sheet right away. So you can jump straight into the comments without going through the menu first. As you use this feature, keep in mind that it's especially useful in larger spreadsheets with several collaborators. Instead of manually searching cell by cell, you can rely on the tab indicators and comment view to stay organized and respond more efficiently. That's all it takes to see all comments in Google Sheets. Use the Sheet tabs, check the comment count by hovering, and then open the comments from the tab menu or the indicator itself to review everything in one place.